In this quick video, we're going to walk through how to easily set up bundle fulfillment automation with Edit Order in Shopify Flow. This feature replaces the headache of a traditional pick list, making your fulfillment team's job in the warehouse more accurate and efficient. To do this, let's set up a workflow that automatically expands your bundles into their individual SKUs. Before you get started, here's a checklist to help you make sure you're in the right place. The following setup is for Shopify Plus merchants on the Premium Plus plan for Edit Order. You will also need to have Shopify Flow downloaded in addition to Edit Order. If you're all set, let's get bundling. First, navigate to Apps in the Shopify admin and choose Edit Order from the list. Scroll down and click the Shopify Flow button. Find and click the Bundles tab beside Edit Actions and then click New Bundle. In this section, you're going to want to first name your bundle. In the Bundle section, select the SKU you want to expand. Then in the bottom section, add the individual SKUs that make up your bundle. Edit Order will automatically discount the prices of each individual SKU to 0, so you don't have to worry about overcharging your customers. Keep in mind that you can also set the quantity for each item in this section. Once you're finished, click Save, and a green tab will appear to tell you that your bundle has been successfully created. Now, navigate back to Apps and this time click Shopify Flow. Here, click Create Workflow. Select Add Trigger. I'm going to choose Order Created from this list, but you could use any trigger that fits your bundle strategy. Once you've chosen your trigger, you'll see two options appear: Add Condition and Add Action. For this workflow, while you can add a condition if you need one, go ahead and skip the Add Condition box if nothing applies. Select Add Action and scroll down to Edit Order to choose Expand Bundles. Type order.id as shown here. Then turn your workflow on, name it, and save. This single workflow will be applied to all active bundles, which means that you only need to set it up once. When you create a bundle, it will default to the active setting, but you can easily flip the active switch to set it as inactive if needed. Your workflow will not trigger for any inactive bundles you have, even if they're still listed. It's that easy. Now that your workflow is on, you can check to see whether your order has been successful by navigating back to the order list and finding the tag that reads Expand Bundles Completed. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@editorder.net. We're always here to help.